Hey guys, we are going to talk about reaping the knee. This is really important to understand for safety, but also if you ever want to compete, knowing the legality of reaping is pretty important. So we'll just do it from like a double guard perspective here. So what reaping the knee actually is when my partner's leg is going directly across and it's past my hip line. So her ankle is stuck. So therefore, if I take my same side leg and I just keep extending over like this, I'm putting pressure on the knee and this could injure somebody, okay? So the most common place that this happens like inadvertently is from single leg X. So if my partner's standing, if I was in single leg X, I'm here like this, right? And so this is perfectly legal. It's not reaping. I can attack this leg, whatever. But if my foot goes past the hip, that is reaping the knee. So notice that like when I do that, she had to like bend her knee inwards. So obviously I'm putting pressure on it. So therefore, if my leg was going this way, my other leg, I can extend my leg and I'm not putting pressure on it. That's not reaping, okay? So sit back down for me, please. So therefore, this is fine, okay? Not reaping. This is reaping, all right? Now, if I do the other side here, just to make it a little bit easier. So this is like 50-50, no problem, okay? This is still not reaping, okay? So because it's the other leg now, the leg is not stuck on my hip. So if I continue pushing my leg, nothing is blocking the ankle, so she's fine. But if I were at a tournament, if I'm here, like let's say we're, 4'11", okay? This is 4'11". So I can legally, I'm not reaping right now, and I can legally attack the far side leg all day long. It's no problem. But the moment that I involve the near side leg, this would be considered reaping, okay? So like reaping is almost never legal in NoGi, even at black belt, it's not legal. So like I can't go leg lace and start attacking, doing that kind of thing, right? Because the idea is I'm not putting pressure on the knee right now, okay? But if I start manipulating this leg, now I am putting pressure on it because it's stuck, right? So that's why in 411, this kind of stuff is fine. If we're at like IBJJF and toe holds are legal, I could start doing, like rotational stuff. All of that is fine. I just can't attack this leg here, okay? So that is reaping the knee.